So before we get into the video, this is going to be the primer for the fuel system. So after we're done, you're going to want to loosen the bleeder screw on top. It's a black bleeder screw my finger's pointing at. And you want to push down on this bleeder until the system's primed. You'll notice when all the air is out. Remove the passenger front wheel, and these are all T15 screws and a couple Christmas trees as well. This shroud should come out pretty easy. Maybe your mud flap as well. One hidden underneath there. And here's where the fuel filter is going to be behind, and I like to use either a band style wrench for fuel filters or my channel lock to loosen it on the fuel filter. That's the connector for the water and fuel sensor. Just a quick pinch and wiggle and pull. This is the fuel filter out. You can put it in a vise and just loosen that water and fuel sensor really lightly with that. When you run that together, lubricate this with diesel fuel. I like to use whatever it's sealing against, so it's going to be diesel fuel. And just put it back in.